Did you see that lizard just behind me? First of all, look how big my mouse is. Because I'm old and I need my mouse cursor that big. One, because I have a lot of different monitors and it's hard. Sometimes I lose the mouse, so I actually increased the mouse size. I didn't even know you could do that. Two, I am in Tybee Island, Georgia, this week. So you are not familiar with my background. There's no motorcycles or tattoos behind me. It's just flowers and beach. My kids head back to school on Monday, so we promised them one more week of just summer before reality sets in and they have to go back to school every day. So I'm on. Oh, geez, look at that! I'm on vacation mode. Look at that vacation mode shirt. This chair's about to fall over. Hey, I'm Patrick Kelley. How are you? I'm a distinguished architect for Zoom. I do work for Zoom. I am a full-time employee of Zoom. I'm not a spokesman for Zoom. I am not a figurehead for Zoom by any means. I just like to talk about cool stuff, and a lot of times that has to do with Zoom. Heading to to watch some dolphins this morning before my meetings start, and then head out to the beach later on. I actually found my first shark tooth on Sunday, and then I found three more on yesterday, which was cool. I'd never found one before, although I grew up in Colorado, so there wasn't a lot of chances to to find shark teeth. Actually, it's hard. Well, it's hard for me, but it's relaxing and enjoy it. I actually threw a cast net too. I didn't catch anything, but it was fun throwing a cast net into the water to see if I can catch something. So that's my week. A little bit of work, a little bit of fun, and I just wanted to do a quick video. And we did a thing last week. Part of my team did, where we got our room backgrounds rated by a cool book called How to Zoom Your Room. It's a new book that that just came out. Allie wrote a blog on it right here. Allie Bloom wrote a blog on this new book called How to Zoom Your Room. And what they do is, it started out as a Twitter account, and they rate your backgrounds in your Zoom meetings. And a lot of times you'll notice, obviously, Zoom is an expert at virtual backgrounds, virtual blur, backgrounds with video, backgrounds with pictures. Zoom has been doing this for years. As you figured out, I typically don't use virtual backgrounds. I like to have more of a natural, organic setting. Like today, I'm in the backyard of the Airbnb we rented, and I like to have that more of a intimate feel. So that's why I do it. You can certainly do whatever you'd like, and certainly Zoom is here to provide choice to you on your backgrounds. But it's a cool thing. It's if you go to blog.zoom.us, you can see this new book that just came out called How to Zoom Your Room. And what they do is they actually will rate your background on various criteria that they developed through the last 2 years during the pandemic. And it's really cool because you can actually send your background into their Twitter account, and they'll actually rate your room, and it's actually relatively quick. I, for my virtual room, got a 9 out of 10. I had a cord violation right here. Don't commit a cord violation. There was a cord by my mic that they didn't like, so I actually got a 9 out of 10, but the rest they actually liked. So something really cool that I actually played with yesterday and the day before, and encourage you to hey, send your background in and have them rate it. Pretty neat. My meeting's about to start. I'll talk to you guys later.